Good morning children. Welcome to today's session. Today you are going to learn how to write a thank you note. But children, before entering into the session, I would like to ask you a few questions. Children, what are the four magic words that you have learned before? Yes, you're right. Sorry, excuse me, please, and thank you. Yes, children. When do we say sorry? We say sorry when we do some mistake, knowingly or unknowingly. When do we say excuse me? When we interrupt some person, right? For in case, if when I am taking class, you want to get inside, then say excuse me ma'am, may I come in? When I am taking the class, when you have a doubt, you just put up your hand and you will say, excuse me ma'am, I have a doubt. Yes children? Fine. What is the third thing? Please. When do we say please? We say please when we request someone for something. Yes children? For example, please can you lend me a pen? Or please can you help me in crossing the road? Yes children? Yeah. When do we say thank you? We say thank you. Yes. Yeah, I can get someone's voice. We say thank you when we receive some gift or when we receive a help or favor from others. Good children. Now coming to today's session, thank you note. To whom we will write a thank you note to? When we receive a gift from others or when we receive a help or favor from others, we write a thank you note. But how do we write a thank you note? There is some format, right? So I am going to teach you the format of writing a thank you note. Fine children. So, first thing while writing the thank you note is the date. What do you have to write? Date. For example, 25th June 2020. Children, you should remember, we should not write 25.6.20. The latest version is 25th June, 2020, which means you have to write the date of the month in words. Date of the month in words. Okay. What is the second step? Second step is salutation or greeting. Salutation or greeting. So you will write dear. How to salute? Dear and your receiver's name. Dear and the receiver's name. For example, if I am going to write a thank you note to my uncle, I will write dear uncle. If it is my aunt, I will write dear aunt. If it is my friend and if my friend name is Vasugi, I will write dear Vasugi. Fine. If I am going to write a thank you note to father, I will write dear father. Fine children. So that is how you will write the receiver's name. The next step is body or content of the note. See children, in the content of the note you have got three steps. First step is to thank the person for what they have done. Okay. Number 2 is we have to add a little detail about what we are thanking for. Third step is we need to restate the word thanks. Okay children? Fine. So this is the body or content of the note. I will repeat. First we will thank the person for what they have done. Second we will add a little more detail. And third we will thank them again. Next the fourth step is closing. The last step, you have to close it with love, or you can write love or yours lovingly. If it is an official senior person or if it is a teacher or some other senior person, then you can write, if it is an official way, then you can write sincerely or yours sincerely. Fine children. The last step is the name and signature. Signature is optional. You can write your name also. Fine children. So I have got a sample of a thank you note. Children, we need to read a question twice because only then we will be able to understand the question. Write a thank you note to your elementary school teacher for helping you in cursive writing. What is the question? Write a thank you note to your elementary school teacher for helping you in cursive writing. So whom we are going to write a thank you note to? Yes, elementary school teacher. For what you are going to write a thank you note? For helping me in cursive writing. Fine. So, what is the first step? I told you date. So, date 25th June, 2020. What is the second step? salutation or greeting. You have to start with dear. Dear. See, now I am going to write a thank you note to the elementary school teacher. So I will write dear ma'am, or I can even write dear Miss Meera. Fine, if I know the name of the teacher, I can write like this. Next step is the body or content of the note. So, what in the content of the note, I told you 3 steps, right? First one is thanking the person. So, I have written, thank you so much for helping me with my cursive writing. Fine. So, second step is adding more detail. So, I can write my little Q's, G's, F's and K's. So much better now. You were very nice to help me and very patient when I didn't really understand. So now the third step, thanking the person again. So thank you for always doing everything that you can to help your students improve. Fine, children? Now, the next part of the thank you note is closing. So I have closed with sincerely. Okay, since it is the teacher, I have written sincerely. Then the last step is the name and signature. So I have written Uttara. Okay. See, you can write your name. But please note, children, if they have asked you to imagine that you are Uttara, then you have to write the name Uttara only. If not, if they have not given anything like imagine your Uttara or imagine your Raj or imagine your Ravi, you have to write that name. If nothing is given, then you can write your name. Okay, children, I will have a short recap how to remember this 5 steps. Okay, just put up your 5 fingers like this. Yes. First one is date. Second one, dear. Third one, content. Fourth one, closing. And fifth one is your name. Shall we have a short name for this? Come on, tell. DDCCN. Come on, repeat. DDCCN. Very good, children. So, what is the first D stands for? Day. First D stands for day. And the second D stands for dear. Third D stands for content. And the fourth D stands for closing. And fifth one is N, and it stands for name. Okay. So, how do you remember? DDCC again. Date, dear, content, closing, name. Come on, repeat. Date, dear, content, closing, name. Again, I tell you, see this chart. DDCCN. Date, dear, content, closing, and the last one is name. Okay, children, hope you understood how to write a thank you note. Thank you, children.